Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to download Webtoon episodes. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, open your Webtoon apps on your phone. And now you just have to tap on original here. After that, select the episode that you want to download. Here I'm gonna choose Let's Play. And now tap the arrow button on the top right of the episode list. Here, after choose the episode you want to download, I'm gonna choose this one. Hit the download button here. And in this pop-up, tap on continue. This is processing, you have to wait for a minute. And yeah, you will receive a pop-up as an information that your download completed. Now you can check it in my icon here at the bottom. And here you are. So guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!